Hi there, my name is Jessica Delfino. I live in New York City where I love to make crafts. I have a craft group here called Craftermath. You can find us at craftermath.blogspot.com. Today we're going to make a stand-up craft heart or stand-up heart craft, whichever you prefer. Here is my paper. I've got a piece of red and white polka dotted paper and I've got some scissors. First thing I'm going to do is make my heart. So I'm going to snip off the edge here so I've got a perfect square or a rectangle. I'm going to fold it in half. Take my scissors, cut up and around. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just make it go around until you've got yourself a lovely old heart. Now I'm going to make this heart stand up. And the way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to take my paper here, I'm going to cut it in half. So I've got two pieces that are about the same. Now normally I don't care if my edges match up, but for this one it's handy if they are somewhat even because they're going to have to stand. So just go around the edges and just kind of tidy them up so that they're about even. They don't have to be perfect. Just try to make it so that the edges are a little more square. Okay. Next, take your pieces of paper and give us a cut go into the middle and cut up, but not all the way up. About, I'd say, 3/4 of the way up. And do that on both pieces of paper, a little bit above the middle. I'm going to take those two pieces of paper and sort of fit them together so that they make this nice kind of cross, sort of, you know, like, there you go, like that. Now we're going to take our heart and we're going to put our heart into one of the creases. And then all of a sudden, you've got yourself a standing upright heart. Now, if this is a gift for somebody, you might want to make sure that your paper is really perfect and pretty. And you can do things like you can fold the paper over to cover up the side that is showing. So you don't want your white sides to show. Just fold it in half. That's an easy fix. And then again, just take your heart, stick it back in. Got yourself a standing heart. Now, if your heart's too big, as you can see, mine's a little big. Might take a little bit of balancing, but there you go. Happy crafting.